Oh wow, look at that. It needs oil. Ace family. I try accelerating, but it turns off. I'm thinking the battery is really low, so I'm gonna let it charge while I walk to AutoZone and get the oil. So I'm gonna have to walk it all over there. It's not that far, pretty close by. It's like probably half a mile or less. So yeah, I'm gonna walk it. I just saw Crystal right now. That was her name. She said she follows me, so thanks for following. Ah! The scooter's going faster. I think it has enough charge.